everybody, Christine here from Chalk Couture. November is your month to take the plunge and become a designer. Why? Because it is time for the Spree for Me Sign Up Challenge. This means that you can receive $50 in product credit US, that's nearly $70 Canadian, when you sign up to become a Chalk Couture designer. Take our $99 kit, it's just $135 in Canada, and remit just a minimum of 100 PV in orders by the end of December. That gives you 2 full months to rack up some amazing Spree-like goodness. Now, here's everything that's included in this kit. It also gives you the last chance in November to get your hands on our amazing holiday-themed transfers, only available through November. $99 US, $135, and you get to be in the cool kids club of being a designer, where you can get amazing discounts on product, sneak peeks on product, and in November only, Spree for Me. $50 product credit US, about $70 Canadian when you take our glorious Master Starter Kit with the surfaces, the pastes, the transfers, the supplies, everything you need to start your own high-end DIY home decor revolution, all from the comfort of home. What are you waiting for? The snow is coming, this offer is going, so sign up today and talk to your independent designer from Chalk Couture to find out more.